everybody and welcome back to another video. My name is Cynthia Ortiz and today we'll be focusing on using near doubles to add. Before we get into the lesson, let's review some vocabulary. Doubles. Doubles are two addends that are the same number. Let's not forget that addends are the numbers that are added together. So here I have 2 plus 2 equals 4. My two addends are 2 and 2. They are the numbers that are being added together. They are the same, therefore they are doubles. Doubles plus 1. Add with doubles and add one more. So if I have 2 plus 2 equals 4, and I add one more to one of the addends, I can add one more to the answer. So we go from 2 plus 2 equals 4 to 2 plus 3 equals 5. We added one more to the addend and one more to the answer. Very good. Doubles minus 1. Add with doubles and subtract 1. So if I have 2 plus 2 equals 4 and I take 1 away from the addend to get 2 plus 1, I know that I could take 1 away from the sum and I get 3. Very good. Here I have 0 plus 0 equals 0. 0 and 0 are the same addends, so these are doubles. I can use these for different addition problems, such as 0 plus 1 equals. So all I did here was add 1 to the addend, so now I can add 1 to my answer. 0 plus 1 more equals 1. So this double helped me solve 0 plus 1. Because I know that 0 plus 0 equals 0, I know that 0 plus 1 equals 1. Here I have 1 plus 1 equals 2. I am going to use these doubles to help me find 1 plus 0 and 1 plus 2. Over here you can see 1 plus 1 equals 1, 2, right? What if I were to take 1 away to get 1 plus 0? How many do I have left? 1. Very good. Now what if we were to add 1 more? How many do I have now? 1, 2, 3. Very good. 1 plus 2 equals 3. I used this double to help me find 1 plus 0 and 1 plus 2. 2 plus 2 equals 4. I will use this double to help me find 2 plus 1 and 2 plus 3. As you can see, 2 plus 2 more equals 4 total. What if I were to take 1 away like I did up here? What is my answer? 2, 3. 2 plus 1 equals 3. Very good. Here we added 1 more. So what if I add 1 more to my magnets? How many do I have now? 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. 2 plus 3 equals 5. Notice that when we take one addend away, we take 1 away from the sum. When we add 1 to the addend, we add 1 to the sum. Very good. 3 plus 3 equals 6. I will use this double to help me find 3 plus 2 and 3 plus 4. Here I took 1 away from the addend, so let's go ahead and take 1 away. How many do I have now? 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And notice, 6 minus 1 is 5. We took 1 away from the addend, so we took 1 away from the sum. 3 plus 4. We added 1 to the addend, so I will add 1 over here. Now I have 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And if I didn't have models, I can just add 1 to my sum. 6 plus 1 more equals 7. Very good. 4 plus 4 equals 8. I will use this double to find 4 plus 3 and 4 plus 5. with 4 plus 3. I took one addend away, so let's take one away. Now I have 4, 5, 6, 7, right? 8 take away 1 is 7, just like we took 1 away from the addend, right? So here they added 1 to the addend to get 5, so let's add 1 more. I have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that means that 8 plus 1 more is 9. I added 1 more, just like I did to the addend. Very good. 5 plus 5 equals 10. I will use this double to find 5 plus 4 and 5 plus 6. Here we took 1 away from the addend. So let's take 1 away. Now I have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. I took 1 away from the addend, so I took 1 away from the sum. 5 plus 6. Here they added 1 to the addend, so I will add 1 over here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I added 1 to the addend, so I added 1 to the sum. Okay, so now that we've practiced visually with magnets, I went ahead and took them away because I wanted us to practice this mentally now, okay? 6 plus 6 equals 12. I will use this double to find 6 plus 5 and 6 plus 7. Let's start with 6 plus 5. I took 1 away from the addend to get from 6 to 5. So let's take 1 away from the sum to get from 12 to 11. 12 minus 1 is 11, just like 6 minus 1 equals 5. 6 plus 7. We went from 6 to 7 by adding 1, so let's go down from 12 to what by adding 1? 12 plus 1 more is 13. 7 plus 7 equals 14. I will use this double to find 7 plus 6 and 7 plus 8. Let's start with 7 plus 6. We took 1 away from the addend to get from 7 to 6. So let's take 1 away from the sum. 14 minus 1 equals 13. 7 plus 6 equals 13. 7 plus 8. We added 1 to the addend, so I will add 1 to the sum. 14 plus 1 more equals 15. 7 plus 8 equals 15. 8 plus 8 equals 16. I will use this double to find 8 plus 7 and 8 plus 9. Let's start with 8 plus 7. 8 take away 1 equals 7. So because I took 1 away from my addend, I will take 1 away from my sum. 16 minus 1 equals 15. I'm able to subtract 1 very easily because all I'm doing is counting backwards 1 time. 8 plus 9. I added 1 to the addend to get from 8 to 9, so I will add 1 to the sum. 16 plus 1 more, 17. 8 plus 9 equals 17. 9 plus 9 equals 18. I will use this double to find 9 plus 8 and 9 plus 10. Let's start with 9 plus 8. We took 1 away from the addend, so now let's take 1 away from the sum. Count backwards, 18, 17. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 9 plus 10. We added 1 to the addend to get from 9 to 10, so let's add 1 to the sum to get from 18 to 19. 9 plus 10 equals 19. 10 plus 10 equals 20. I will use this double to find 10 plus 9 and 10 plus 11. Let's start with 10 plus 9. We took 1 away from the addend, so let's take 1 away from the sum. Count backwards 1, 20, 19. 10 plus 9 equals 19. 10 plus 11. I added 1 to the addend, 10 goes to 11. So let's add 1 to the sum. 20, 21. Nice work. Okay, ready for the word problem? It says, Amy bought 3 red shirts. She bought 2 green shirts. How many shirts did she buy in all? Now let's start by circling what we already know. We know that Amy bought how many red shirts? 3. 3 red. How many green shirts did she buy? 2. And we want to know how many shirts did she buy in all? We already know from past videos that in all means to add. Awesome. So I need to find 3 plus 2. What can I do to quickly solve this? I know I can use doubles that I know by memory to help me solve. I already know that 3 plus 3 equals 6. I know this because I've been practicing my doubles. We took 1 away from the addend to get 2, so let's take 1 away from the sum. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. How about we double check, just to make sure. Hold a fist and say 3, and let's jump up 2. 3, 4, 5. Is that correct? 5? Yes, it is. Great job. Alright guys, so that ends today's lesson on using mirror doubles to add. I hope that you enjoyed this video and found it very useful. Please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more learning videos. Bye guys!